Normally when I buy kale, I just let it go bad in the fridge. So today I'm gonna make some kale chips. Let's do it. Got your kale, some lemon, some Parmesan, olive oil. Where's the olive oil? Some olive oil. That's all I'm gonna use. Get a big bowl, wash it, start ripping it up. Not taking the official route. I don't really know what the official route would be for this. I've never done this. I know I don't want the stalks. Cool. Somehow this is gonna turn into chips. We're gonna find out if that works. Take a lot of olive oil. I'm not measuring. I'm just going. Seems like a lot. Pull up your sleeves, it's about to get messy. We got the oven at 300. I know that sounds low, you might have watched other videos, but I'm gonna do 300 for longer and see what happens. Get yourself some salt. Because everything tastes better when it's salty. Get back here. I just really want everything covered in that olive oil. The wetter it gets, the less it looks like I have, so this is probably gonna be a really quick snack. Don't worry, it's kosher salt. Okay, these are soggy. Oh, I should have cut that first. This hand is so oily. Come here, lemon. I'm gonna use maybe a full lemon. Oh, already got a seed. A ton of lemon. Even more seeds. Mix in that lemon. Got another seed, take it out. Just dump that on your pan. Don't really worry about it being one perfect layer, just get it all on there and spread it out. This is gonna be like 3 bites of snacks. We'll see if it's good. You could probably season this however you want. I'm gonna do a little bit of Jane's. Doesn't take much, just using a little bit of salt and pepper. Not really much pepper, actually. Not gonna hide this. "15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes. Looks like cooked kale. Take one of these things, toss them around. Maybe a little more salt, why not? A little bit more lemon, huh? Huh? All right, I'm gonna put these back in for another 15 minutes and see what happens. All right. Looks like garbage. Here we go. Trying to make these look a little less weird and burnt. They're actually really crispy. Wow. Let me do a little Parmesan. Wow, those are so lemony. So there you go, kale chips. Boom. I didn't waste my kale.